How to find your lost device iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the simplest steps to locate your lost iPhone. Stay tuned till the end, so you're always prepared for such situations. Let's jump right in. First, open the Find My app on another Apple device like an iPad, Mac, or a family member's iPhone. If you don't have another Apple device, no worries. Open a browser and go to iCloud.com, then sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're in, tap on Devices in the app or web interface, and here select your lost iPhone from the list. Now view its location. The map will show your iPhone's last known location if it's connected to the internet. If it's nearby, tap play sound to make it ring. Even if it's in silent mode, still can't find it. Enable Mark as Lost. This feature locks your device and displays your contact information on the screen, so someone can return it to you. You can also turn on notifications to get alerts when the location updates if recovery isn't possible and your device has sensitive data. Use the Erase iPhone option to remotely wipe all your data for security, and that's it. With these simple steps, you can locate your lost iPhone or protect your information. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.